Welcome to FirstWord Pharma's News Roundup for March 13th, brought to you today by editorial researcher Olivia Roger. In our top news story, a second Phase 3 study of AbbVie and Neurocrine Biosciences elagolix in women with uterine fibroids met its main goal. In the trial, the GnRH receptor antagonist reduced heavy menstrual bleeding with 76.2% of women achieving clinical response, compared to 10.1% for placebo. Also in the news, Teva terminated an agreement with Sosei's Aras Therapeutics unit to develop small molecule CGRP antagonists for the treatment of migraine. Sosei noted that it will regain rights to all the programs, including lead candidate HTL0022562, following Teva's recent portfolio prioritization. In other news, the FDA placed a clinical hold on a Phase 1-2 study investigating Advaxis' axalimogene filolisbac in combination with AstraZeneca's Imfinzi. The move comes after a recent patient death involving respiratory failure in the trial, which includes patients with human papillomavirus-associated cervical cancer and head and neck cancer. In addition, Anthera Pharmaceuticals will halt development of Sollpura for the treatment of exocrine pancreatic insufficiency. After the failure of a late-stage study, the company noted that while some patients assigned to the Sollpura group maintained or improved their coefficient of fat absorption from baseline, a larger number of patients experienced worsening. And finally, former GlaxoSmithKline CEO Andrew Whitty will become Chief Executive of UnitedHealth's Health Services Division Optum, effective July 1st. UnitedHealth CEO David Wichmann noted that Whitty has deep experience with how data and analytics and new technologies can be used to lower costs and drive value across the system. To read these and other stories in full, please visit firstwordpharma.com.
Are you able to keep up with all the news and views in the biosimilars market? FirstWord's Biosimilar Index is the only dedicated biosimilar and non-comparable biologics intelligence tool available. Get ahead of your competition and learn more today.